PANASONIC Eluga A4, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use here the apps icon, find here and select the settings. So here I have settings. From the list of settings, you need to find and select the display. It's right here under device. So here let's tap on wallpaper, and as you can see here, you can use the wallpaper from the gallery, from live wallpapers, from photos, or from simple wallpapers. Let me choose the wallpapers from Panasonic. Let me allow launcher to access photos, media, etc. Here you can use the My Photos, or you can use the photos from Panasonic. So let me use, for example, the following one. Tap set wallpaper, and you can use it on your home screen, lock screen, or on your both screens. Let me use on my lock screen, and now if I press the power key, I should see the new wallpaper. Let me show you. That's it, the new wallpaper pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.